There's a chance that if you aren't leveraging this sales leadership superpower, that you're leaving tons of money and opportunities on the table. The good news, this superpower isn't that super at all, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to implement it into your business. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Michelle Terpstra, Master Sales Coach and Sales Leadership Mentor for impact-driven entrepreneurs that are seeking to change the world by sharing their expertise through education, coaching, teaching, and service-based offers. What do people like Marie Forleo, James Wedmore, Amy Porterfield, and Stu McLaren have in common? They don't leave their sales up to chance. They don't wake up each day and just hope that the right person comes along to be their next client. They have a system in place to make sure they always have people in the pipeline to talk about their offers with. In short, the superpower that they all have is that they're organized. This organization is one of the keys to their success because they always know who their best leads are, where they are in the sales process, and when to follow up to secure as many sales as possible. And don't forget, like I talked about in my last video, those sales lead to the incredible impact they get to make in the lives of the people they serve. Now, if you're like a lot of entrepreneurs I work with, there's a chance that hearing "be more organized to get more sales" sounds like I'm oversimplifying. I get it. There is more to sales than just keeping good records. But the starting point to getting more sales is to know where those sales are going to come from. And having an organized system will help you do just that. Here are 3 things you can do right now to get more organized with your sales process. Number 1, set up a CRM. A CRM, or client relationship management system, is a fancy way of saying that you have your leads organized. All businesses should have this in place so that it's easy to track opportunities, conversations, and predict revenue. You know that it's working when you wake up and are ready to engage with leads, can plan your day effectively, and see revenue potential in a simple snapshot. Number 2, know your sales stages. Sales stages are simple markers along the way that tell businesses how close someone is getting to making a purchase. At each stage, the likelihood of conversion gets higher. Each business has different stages based on their unique offers and business type. You know that it's working when you begin to feel confident in your process and engaging with leads feels easy and fun. Check. And number 3, create a plan to move people through the stages. Fleshing out your sales stages can be a fun process and will allow you to see what is working, what needs to be tweaked, and where you need to add or subtract a stage to maximize conversions in the least amount of time. You know that it's working when you begin to successfully and swiftly move opportunities through the sales funnel to make consistent sales. You got it. All 3 things wrapped up right here. Now, take a moment to look at your sales system right now. Is it organized in such a way that you can easily project where your next sales are coming from? If not, you are leaving sales on the table and, most importantly, missing out on opportunities to change the lives of the people who need you. If you want to go deeper into hearing what it looks like to create an aligned sales system on rinse and repeat that attracts premium customers who can't wait to work with you, then jump on over and register for the Rock Your Revenue Masterclass. This masterclass will help you learn the mid-funnel Maven method, my signature method for creating that exact sales system. You'll also learn the 6 essential steps every successful impact-driven entrepreneur needs to ditch the revenue roller coaster and lock in consistent cash. Next, the secret top formula entrepreneurs use to confidently convert dream clients without the stress, sweat, or sleaze using my signature empowered yes formula. You'll also learn how to ensure sales conversations never end, leaving you ghosted or confused. Also, how to identify the hottest leads who are most eager to buy from you, and why anyone can activate a one-of-a-kind feel-good sales strategy by using 3 timeless elements. If this sounds amazing to you, then head over to rockyourrevenuenow.com to register. Now that wraps up sales principle number 2. We have 4 more to go that builds out the entire system of my sales leadership model. Now tap that bell to subscribe and be notified when the next video is released.